Hey, good night. I just like to come give you guys some update on what's going on in Jamaica right now. We're having an island-wide flood. There's rain everywhere. Roads are being destroyed because there's so much water. A young lady and her father has lost their lives in their house when the earth has been washed away from underneath them. Condolence to them, to their families. The roads are flooded, as you can see. People have lost their homes. People have lost what they have known and what they have grown to know. A lot of people are in a very, very bad situation right now with this flood. As you can see, this is a truck that's driving through right now, and you can see how high that water is. I'm just praying so people can help recover from all of this, because this is hard to watch, and yeah, it's very hard to watch. We need to keep Jamaica in our prayers, help them recover this. You can just go ahead and see what's happening down there right now.